Hello! Welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Feel free to check your natal chart ha. Start na natin ang reading. So, mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, pa-subscribe na lang po. And if you want, pwede kang magpabook ng personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Kung gusto mo naman, open pa ako ng astrological reading, pero if you're willing to wait, kasi honestly medyo matagal ako mag-reply kapag marami pang naka-line up, no? So basta mag-message ka lang doon sa virgophilippines@gmail.com. Magre-reply naman talaga ako doon pag open na ulit ako, na kumbaga free na yung line up natin. Okay? So, hanggang end of August 2024, open ako sa reading. September, I cannot tell pa kung mag-open ako niyan kasi medyo marami na po akong pinagkakaabalahan. So, let's start. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgos? Oh, wow. You do have your Justice card. This is Libra energy. Pwedeng ikaw to, pwedeng person mo to ha, kasi pwedeng magkapalit-palit ng roles. Love reading, guys. I feel like you are really concentrating sa iyong career ngayon with the Justice card. So, this is you. You're sitting on your throne. You're trying to balance your life, career, and the family mo. And sa ngayon, maybe you're thinking of someone, maybe a friend or a person in the past, na parang gusto mong makita itong taong to. Yan. So, gusto mo ulit siyang makita, gusto mong magkaroon ng reconciliation, and maybe you want to, see this person, and kind of like, lalo na kung in the past, your friends, and pwedeng may mga inuman, ganun, or maybe just as simple as, getting to know each other kind of thing. Like, kung naging friends kayo, maybe hindi ganun ka rami yung pinagsamahan ninyo or yung pagkikita ninyo, parang may kulang pa rin eh. Parang hindi mo nasulit. Maybe the last time na nagkita kayo ng person na ito is like ang daming kulang, or ang daming parang hindi nyo nasulit yung pagkikita, ganun, maybe because may iba pang taong involved, or may mga kasama kayo during that time na naging dahilan para hindi mo siya maka one-on-one talk. And with the Four of Pentacles, yung iba sa inyo might be you're trying to, save money. So, pwedeng may pagkakalayo kasi kayo ng person na ito, and para makita mo siya, kailangan mo munang mag-ipon. So, yung iba may ganun. Anyway, kunin natin yung energy ng person na kakonect mo. Okay, you do have here the Ace of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, nakikita natin na yung person na kakonect mo is focusing sa kanyang new beginnings. Maybe new beginning. Oh, wow. The Tower is here. So, maybe, alam mo yung feeling na parang wala na yatang something sa atin, nag-end na yata. Parang ganun. And yung person na ito, kaya siya nagpo-focus sa new beginnings niya kasi feeling niya, wala na yun sa inyo eh. Maybe this is a new relationship, new connection, or if not, maybe I don't know, it feels like something na I want to clarify this. Tell me more about this Ace of Wands. Okay, something to do with money. Something to do with career. Or maybe parang tinitignan niya yung finances niya ngayon. So parang hindi to okay eh. Parang hindi ako masyado nag-grow dito eh. Parang may something akong kailangan gawin para mas mag-grow pa ito. So, yung ganon. So, maybe, this is something to do with your person's career na parang feeling niya hindi masyado nag-grow, or maybe, regarding sa kanyang mga pinaghihirapan, parang kailangan ko tong pag-focusan niyo kasi kailangan kong mag-grow ito. And, yeah. I can see this person focusing on this new beginning na may kinalaman sa growth niya. May kinalaman sa bagay na pwedeng may kinalaman sa pera. Honestly, sa inyong dalawa, sa connection ninyo, siya yung mas nakikita natin. Hindi masyadong i-invest sa connection na to. Like, katulad sa'yo kasi maybe you're saving money, you're trying to, magkaroon ng future connection or kahit pagkikita sa inyo. Tapos siya parang Queen of Swords is here, so maybe this person is cutting you off. Kasi nga feeling niya wala eh. Feeling niya nag-end na yung sa inyo. So ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Ng person mo, you do have the Eight of Swords. You're not being open. Ito yung naging rason kung bakit yung person na to parang naramdaman niya yung feeling na wala na eh. Kasi hindi ka nagiging open sa kanya. Like, some of you, hindi mo sinasabi yung plano mo, na pwedeng you're saving money, and pwedeng alam mo na may kinalaman sa kanya yon, pero pwedeng hindi mo sinasabi. So, yung iba, walang connection sa inyo. Kung may connection man, walang kibuan. Basta, friend lang tayo sa social media. Parang ganon. Pero walang kibuan. Ganon. The Hierophant is here. Currently, may mga lessons or may mga pinagdadaanan ka ngayon. Like, maybe, something to do with law. Yung iba, pwedeng conflict na may kinalaman sa career, business, or I can see a lot of fighting right now. So, pwedeng may mga legal matter, no? Especially, Justice card is here. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa mga legal matter na nangyayari sa'yo. The Eight of Swords is here. So, ito yung focus mo. And, yung emotion mo towards this person is, I feel like judgment. So, pwedeng alam mo na eh. Nagising ka na sa connection ninyo. Alam mo na. Kaya lang hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin. Hindi mo alam kung anong action ang gagawin. Anong dapat gawin. Kung alam mo man, pwedeng for now, you're waiting ng action mula sa kanya, or maybe may mga challenges ka sa sarili mo na parang, eto muna. Okay na sa akin na alam ko yung connection namin, pero wait lang, meron pa akong mga dapat pagkabalan or ayusin sa buhay ko for now. So, this is your energy. Maybe may kinalaman sa family. 10 of Cups is here. So, challenges na may kinalaman sa family. Okay, emotion ng person na ito towards you. Emotion ng taong ito patungkol sa'yo. The Fool is here. And the 8 of Pentacles. Napapa-smile ako, alam mo kung bakit. Kasi nakuha ko yung energy. Sobrang pareho lang kayo eh. Alam mo yun? Honestly, both of you are being lazy pagdating sa connection ninyo. Tinatamad. Kasi tinatamad akong mag-first move, tinatamad akong unang mag-chat, tinatamad akong unang tumawag. Maybe, kinoconsider ninyo pareho yung mga material na usapin sa buhay ninyo ngayon. So, for your person, papaka-busy siya eh. Ikaw din, pwedeng you're trying your best na mag-focus sa mga bagay na kailangan mo i-resolve mo na ngayon. So, pwedeng may mga more like, sa'yo ko nakukuha yung challenges na yan sa ngayon. Clarify the Fool. The Fool is clarified by the Page of Pentacles. Pareho talaga yung energy na kuha ko kasi Page of Swords, yun yung kaninang lumabas sa'yo. No, ito, speaking, nasa ilalim. Page of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Ayan. So, it's a page. Tapos, siya, nakuha naman natin sa kanya is the Page of Pentacles. So, pareho kayo may page. I mean, you're mirroring each other. Some of you, this could be a twin flame connection, soulmate connection. The Fool is here, so pwedeng yung person mo willing to take the risk. Kung magkakaroon ng new beginning sa inyo na may kinalaman sa pera, or okay, medyo mas mukhang pera siya sa'yo, but maybe ito yung way niya para makakonect sa'yo. Like, kung may attachment tayo or may connection tayo na may kinalaman sa pera, yung action regarding sa connection natin, parang to follow na lang eh. Parang ganon. So, yung person mo pwedeng waiting for some kind of new beginning na may kinalaman nga sa pera sa inyong dalawa. Okay, so what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa for the sign of Virgo? You do have here the World and the King of Pentacles. May nakuha akong energy. I don't know if nahawakan niya na ba yung ulo mo? Ganon. Or parang yun yung biruan nyo, or the last time na nagkita kayo, it's like hinawakan ka niya sa noo or sa ulo na part. This could be a reading. Parang, alam mo yan, yung parang brotherly kind of himas ng ulo. Diba pag may kapatid ka, tapos medyo, or bata na medyo mas maliit, hahawakan mo sa ulo, gaganunin mo. So, maybe ginanon ka niya in the past, nung nagkita kayo. So, this could be a reading. What is the Ten of Swords and the World here? Knight of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. For the future sa side ng person mo. Six of Cups. Queen of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Sign lang naman yan, guys. Ay, ano lang. Energy. I can see a new beginning in the future. I mean, tatlong uwan yung nagpakita. So, it's an angel number for you, 111. May magi-end sa side mo in the future. Maybe kung ano man yung kinakaharap mo ngayon, legal matter, etc. Maybe magi-end na may kinalaman sa... I mean, the reason, I can see the planet Saturn ngayon. Yung planet of Saturn kasi is a planet of restriction, limitations. It's like maybe, ito yung nagiging rason kung bakit nag-hold back ka dito sa connection na to eh. Parang kung bakit hindi pwede eh. Bawal. So whatever that thing is na nagiging dahilan para hindi mo ituloy, para hindi ka makipag-connect sa person na to, that is what is ending here in the future for you. Para maging mas open ka, the world is here. So I can see you being more open in the future, pero kasi may ending. Some of you may paglipat ng bahay. with the Knight of Pentacles or maybe pagta-travel. The Ace of Swords is here, so may nakikita akong mga tao sa paligid mo, like they are guilty of something. 2 to 3 people, so maybe they are friends or there's a kind of like a war sa inyo nito mga taong to. And pwedeng isa pa ito sa nagiging reason kung bakit dapat siyang i-end. May naririnig akong word na like mom. So maybe involve yung mother nitong taong ito na kung sino man ito nagagalit na ito, and they are guilty of something na nagbibigay sa'yo ng stress. So, or maybe pressure sa'yo. So, ito nagke-create ito ng tension and conflict sa'yo, sa side mo. So, dahil may galit na doon, medyo mas madaling mag-action regarding dito, like, kaya nagkakaroon ng lumalago or lumalaking war between you and these people. And then, the way I say this, pwedeng there's an ending regarding do sa war na yon. Para do sa person na kakonect mo, this is a person in the past. I can see on your beginning na pwedeng may kinalaman sa pera. Ang dami yung beginning ng person na ito pagdating sa pera. No? Talagang, pwedeng marami siyang racket. Ganon. So, or, kung negosyante, pwedeng marami siyang negosyo, ganon. Kind of thing. Anyway, Queen of Swords, this person will try to cut you off. Pero kasi, hindi kasi siya sure kung anong gusto mo, ano yung the Four of Cups is here, so hindi siya sure. With the Five of Cups, although nagbibigay ito ng kalungkutan sa kanya, itong ginagawa niya na pag-i-end, parang wala kasi akong choice eh. Hindi ko naman alam, hindi ako sure kung anong nararamdaman mo. The Fool is here, baby. The Moon is here. I feel like ramdam niya or ramdam niyo sa isa't isa yung emotions ninyo. But, you know, Six of Swords, etong person na to, mas pinipili niya mag-move on kasi wala naman siya nakukuha from you or walang connection sa inyong dalawa. The Two of Pentacles, I feel like, I can see that both of you ay may mga pinaprioritize, but maybe self-challenge yun eh. But both of you with the Hanged Man is naghihintay dito sa connection na ito, and both of you are awakened or gising na or alam ninyo kung ano yung connection, what is the connection all about, anong meron dito, anong dapat gawin. Maybe you know this, pero you're not taking actions. The Chariot is here. Hindi kayo nagtitignan. What is the advice, guys? What is the advice? I want to know. Spirit guides, angel guides, what is the advice for Virgos? The Star is here. The Death card, ayun. Death card is an ending, and the Star is like maybe yung paghahangad or pagkagusto mo dito sa person nito. If you want this person, hanggang kailan mo magiging pangarap ng taong to? Hanggat kailan mo i-wish, ipagdadasal, or maybe hanggang kailan ka mangangarap. Diba? Maybe you have to end this. You are the one na makakapag-end this, and be real and true to yourself. Lalo na kung nagkaroon naman na ng opportunity sa inyong dalawa. Like, pwede may connection, open naman si connection. Diba? May mga power struggle lang, maybe may kinalaman sa like a mom or a mother or mga kapatid. It depends. Pero yung area ng conflict na yon, it's just for you na para magkaroon ng opportunity kung alin yung mga bagay sa sitwasyon or sa buhay mo yung dapat mong asikasuhin or ayusin muna. And then, since this is already ending, time for you to face the person na pwedeng nandyan siya to help you. Nandyan siya to, para i-balance yung buhay mo and to help you with your responsibilities. May limitasyon. Kaya naman niyang ibigay yung limitasyon kung gusto mo yun. But, it depends. Bahala ka na. Yan. So, maybe some of you, ikaw yung kailangan gumawa ng first move. Especially kung nag-first move naman na siya noon. And nothing happens. Kasi siya yung nagtatry mag-move on eh. And I feel like, ginawa niya yon dahil maybe he or she feels like wala na eh. Parang ganun. So, thank you for watching. I love you all. Hopefully, nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Again, if you want to book personal reading, Jim Tarot Trader. Open siya for personal reading, tarot reading. Pwede kayong pumunta sa kanila. Calamba, Laguna. Ako naman po, astrological reading. Diyan na lang po sa Gmail, i-message niyo ako. Wait for my reply. Hindi po agad ako magre-reply. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun hindi ko nakita yung email niyo. Pwedeng busy lang ako or marami pang naka-line up. Okay? Pero re-replyan ko po talaga kayo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.